Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Give and take means addition and subtraction. You have already learned about addition and subtraction in chapter 3. I had explained you in detail addition and subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. So, I will advise you to revise chapter 3 before you start chapter 6. However, I will explain again here in this chapter. Cricket match. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win? This is the question. To win, India must make 236 runs. So, you guess to win India needs more than 100 runs or less than 100 runs. So, that is, you know that is for doing this, you have to subtract 123 from 236. So, runs India needs to win 236 minus 123. We do the subtraction in the next slide, and that time we will know whether it is more than 100 or less than 100. Here there are 3 columns. First column is ones column, second column is tens column, third column is hundreds column. First, we will do subtraction of first column, that is 6 minus 3. How we do it? I have shown 6 ones by 6 tokens of 1. Now, you strike off 3 tokens from 6 tokens. How many are left? 3 tokens. So, 6 minus 3 equal to 3. We write 3 in first column. Next, we subtract second column, that is tens column. I have shown 3 tens by 3 tokens of 10. Now strike off 2 tens, that is 2 tokens of tens. How many left? 1 token. So write 1 in tens column. Lastly, we subtract third column, that is hundreds column. I have shown 2 hundreds by 2 tokens of 100. Now strike off 100, that is 1 token of 100. How many left? 1 token. So, write 1 in hundreds column. So, we get 236 minus 123 equal to 113. So, India needs 113 more runs to win, and 113 is more than 100. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. She bought a book for 123. How much money is left in her purse? Money left in her purse is 368 minus 123. So, you guess money left in Geeta's purse is more than 200, yeah, less than 200. We will solve this sum in the next slide. Here, money in Geeta's purse, that is 368. Cost of book is 123. First column in is ones column, second column is tens column, and third column is hundreds column. So in ones column, strike off 3 tokens from 8 tokens of ones. So you have 5 tokens left. So write 5 in the ones column. In the tens column, strike off 2 tokens from 6 tokens of tens. So you have 4 tokens left. So write 4 in the tens column. In hundreds column, strike off 1 tokens from 3 tokens of hundreds. So, you have 2 tokens left. So, write 2 in the hundreds column. So, answer is money left in the purse is 245 and it is more than 200. Okay? Can you help Sharifa? Sharifa's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her 245. Sharifa bought 1 kg ghee for 127. The shopkeeper gave her back 98. Kilogram is written as kg. Did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? Let's find out. So money, Sharifa had 245. Cost of ghee 127. We have to do the subtraction. We have to do 245 minus 127. We cannot take 7 ones from 5 ones, so borrow 10. Why we cannot take 7 from 5? Because 5 is smaller than 7. I will explain how we'll do the subtraction in the next slide. Borrow 10 from the tens column and add with 5 ones in the ones column. So, now 5 in ones column becomes 15 and 4 in tens column becomes 3. Now we can do the subtraction in the same way we have done in the previous 2. Here the answer is 118. Shopkeeper gave her back 98. So the shopkeeper did not give her the right amount. Here I have shown the subtraction of the ones column. So you strike off 7 tokens from 15 tokens and get 8 tokens. So write 8 in ones column. Similarly, in the tens column, you strike off 2 tokens from 3 tokens and get 1 token. So write 1 in tens column. Similarly, in the hundreds column, you strike off 1 token from 2 tokens and get 1 token. So write 1 token in hundreds column. So you get the answer 118. So the shopkeeper had to give Sharifa 118. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Age of mummy tortoise 150 years. Age of baby tortoise 33 years. So for find out the answer, we will subtract 33 from 150. So the answer is 117. So the baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Arvind has read 69 pages of storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? For this, we have to subtract 69 from 95. And this subtraction I will show you in the next slide. Number of pages of the storybook read by Arvind 69. Number of pages of the storybook read by Gauri 95. Clearly 95 is more than 69. Therefore, Gauri has read more pages than Arvind. So 95 minus 69, that is 26. So Gauri has read 26 pages more than Arvind. Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? To find out this answer, we will do subtraction and I will show this in the next slide. This month's reading 193 units. Last month's reading 118 units. So 193 minus 118, 75 units. So answer is 75. She used 75 units of electricity. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? I will solve this sum. I will show this sum in the next slide. The question is, how much Khushbu spent altogether? That means total amount she spent. We will find out this by adding these two. Bought a shirt for rupees 125. Bought trousers for rupees 165. So 165 plus 125, that is 290. So the answer is 290. She spent rupees 290 altogether. I will explain the addition once again here. In ones column, 5 plus 5 equal to 10. We write 0 in the ones column and carry 1 to the tens column. I have written that carry 1 above 6 in tens column. Now in tens column we add 1 plus 6 plus 2, that is 9. In hundreds column 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the addition is 290. Solve the following. Addition and subtraction. 17 minus 3, 14 plus 3, 39 minus 10, 12 plus 24, 86 minus 58, 139 minus 110. 237 plus 213, 325 minus 204, 474 minus 136, 642 minus 413, 49 plus 20, 135 plus 146. These all are the answers of addition and subtraction. These you will do in your notebook. This is also some addition and subtraction, and you will do these all in your notebook, and here check your answers yourself in this way. Here we end part 1 of Fun with Give and Take. See you in the next class.